Hello students, in this video I will explain textbook exercises of lesson number 4 sorting materials into groups. But before that, let's summarize the lesson. First, objects around us are made up of a large variety of materials. As I told you in earlier, there are many types of materials are there. Some examples are wood, plastic, paper, cloth. Many materials are there. From this material, many types of objects can be made. And given material could be used to make a large number of objects. It means we can make many objects from one material only. It is also possible that an object could be made of a single material or of many different types of material. It means object is one, but it could be made from many types of material. Different types of materials have different properties. Different types of materials have different properties. As I told you, some are hard, some are soft, some are soluble in water, some are insoluble in water. Then some are transparent, some opaque. So these all are properties. Different types of materials have different properties. Some materials are shiny in appearance while others are not. Some materials are shiny, which exhibit shine, and some are dull. It means it will not shine. Some are rough and some are smooth. Similarly, some materials are hard, whereas some are soft. Some materials are soluble in water, whereas some others are insoluble. So some materials are soluble in water. It will completely dissolve or disappear in water. And some are not insoluble in water. It means it will not dissolve or disappear in water. Some materials such as glass are transparent, and some others such as wood and metals are opaque, and some materials are translucent. Some materials are transparent, through which we can see clearly. Some are opaque, through which we cannot see at all, and some are translucent, through which we can see but not clearly. Materials are grouped together on the basis of similarities and differences in their properties. We can group materials by their similarities. Some similarities are there between or some differences. Things are grouped together for convenience and to study their properties. So why we need to group things? Because our convenient. Okay, so let's start textbook exercise. Question number 1. Name 5 objects which can be made from wood. So here you have to write 5 objects which made from wood. It's very obvious that first is chair, then table, door, bullock cart wheel, boat. These all are objects made from wood. Question 2. Select those objects from the following which shine. It means here some objects are given. From this object you have to select those objects which shine. It means which exhibit shine. First is glass ball, plastic toy, steel spoon, cotton shirt. So here which are shine? Obviously glass ball and steel spoon. These two are shine, and plastic toy and cotton shirt are dull materials. Next, question number 3. Match the objects given below with the materials from which they could be made. Remember, an object could be made from more than one material, and a given material could be used for making many objects. So again 2 columns are given. In one column some objects are there, and second column some materials are there. So first is book. Book is made up of paper. So you have to select material from second column. Book is made from paper. Next is tumbler. Tumbler is made up of glass and plastic. Both you can write. Chair. Chair also same. Chair also made from wood and plastic. Both you will write. Next is toy. Toy again plastic and wood. Toy also made plastic or and wood. Both you will write here. And shoes. Shoes is made up of plastic. Now question number 4. State whether the statements given below are true or false. So here some statements are given. You have to say these statements is true or false. First, stone is transparent while glass is opaque. What do you say? Stone is transparent. No, stone is opaque. And glass is opaque? No, glass is transparent. So this statement is false. Second, a notebook has luster while eraser does not. Again, a notebook has luster? No, notebook do not have luster and while eraser also does not. So this statement is also false. Third, chalk dissolves in water. See, chalk dissolves in water. You had seen in demonstration also, chalk does not dissolve in water. It always settle at the bottom. So chalk dissolves in water. This is the false statement. Next, a piece of wood float on water. Now this statement is true. Sugar does not dissolve in water. That is also false because this one also you had seen in demonstration. Sugar dissolves. See, sugar completely dissolve in water. So this statement is false. Sugar does not dissolve in water. This is the false statement. Oil mix with water. That is also false. Oil does not mix with water. It always float on the surface of the water. So this statement is also false. Vinegar dissolves in water. That is true. Vinegar dissolves in water. True. And one I forgot, G, sand settles down in water. That is also true. That one also you had seen in demonstration. If you put some sand in water and stir for a long time, but it will never dissolve in water. It always settle down at the bottom of. So sand settle down in water. That is true. Question number 5. Given below are the names of some objects and materials. Here some objects and materials names are given. Water, basketball, orange, sugar, globe, apple and earthen picture. Now group them. You have to group them as two. First round shaped and other shapes. And second eatable and non-eatable. So let's arrange. First is round shaped object. So among these all, which are the round shaped object? First is basketball, then orange also, then globe, apple and earthen pitcher. These all are round shaped object. And other shaped subject or material, other shape it means water and sugar. Water and sugar. Now second is eatable and non-eatable. So eatable materials, water, orange, sugar and apple. And non-eatable materials, basketball, globe and earthen pitcher. Now question number 6. List all items known to you that float on water? Check and see if they will float on an oil or kerosene. Answer. The items that float on water are wood, plastic ball, balloon, paper boat, feather, hair, thermocol. These all are float on water, and they will also float on kerosene or oil also. So here question number 7. Find the odd one out from the following. Here four A, B, C, D are given. From this you have to find odd one. First, chair, bed, table, baby and cupboard. Here which one odd one out? Baby is odd. Why? Because chair, bed, table and cupboard, these all four made from wood. Baby only different. So this is odd. Second, rose, jasmine, boat, marigold and lotus. Here again boat is odd. Why? Because rose, jasmine, marigold and lotus, all four are flowers. Boat only odd. Third, aluminium, iron, copper, silver and sand. So here odd is sand. Why? Because aluminium, iron, copper and silver, all four metals. Sand only odd. Next, sugar, salt, sand, copper sulfate. Here also sand is odd. Why? Because sugar, salt and copper sulfate, all three can dissolve in water. Only sand not. So sand is odd. So in first baby odd, second boat, third sand and fourth also a sand. So students, here we completed the chapter 4, sorting materials into groups. Hope you understood. And still not, so go through the video for better understanding. We'll meet you soon with the next video. All the best for your exams. Thank you.